Hello, welcome to my first actual video. This will be a Sonic Quantum Collision video, and enjoy. That's all you have to do. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! Grinding, baby! Okay, that's enough. Enter. Okay, I'm starting to sound like an idiot. Okay, let's start. I sound like so much like an idiot. There we go. It's time to start with the hub world. Let me just tell you something. I am very good at Sonic. I'm just wasting my time, ain't I? Look at these amazing sprites. Shout out to the creator. Okay, I'm going in. Oh, I sound really bad, don't I? I'm sorry. My mic is very bad. I don't do. Okay, time to do what any Sonic does. Gotta go fast. If you couldn't tell, I'm bopping my head. Whoa. And I didn't do it. Aw. This is what happens. You can't drown in this game, so I'm going to have to be fast. I did it! Oh, first try! If you don't know what I'm doing, I'm getting the chaos emerald. Or at least I hope. What do you want to do here? I'm going to collect the rings, just for good measures. Giant ring! Ooh. Dance. Okay, jumpy boy. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Yes, special stage! What we want to do here is get that. You see that thing that just ran away from me? Yeah, that's a chaos emerald. We want to collect that. Then red orbs. Red orbs teleport you out of the stage, so you don't want to collect those. On my trial recording, I failed doing this, and I was... Oh no. I sensed the emerald in my... There it is! The emerald! The emerald! I did it! That's the only emerald we can collect, so no supersonic. Last time I was streaming, last time I was doing this, amazing Sonic gamer skills. Ooh, goody! I usually never fall off. Okay. Okay, save. Look at that 3D. Even though it's just 2D sprites. I'm not going to bother with this special. And I did not say a bad word. Okay, it's a chameleon. Definitely no foreshadowing here. I'm not bothering with the giant rings anymore because they're kind of useless. Maybe I should use. Nice way to ruin your momentum. Whee! Oh no, it's nearly time for class. I might have to cancel my stream there. When I get to the boss, I'm canceling the stream. Because I'm going to have class soon. Come on, I'm still a kid. Just listen to this. Okay, that should be good. I hope you enjoyed my live stream. And goodbye.